Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the user control in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws, securing the user control and air damper housing. Pull the freezer thermistor out of the hole in the liner and disconnect both the main wire harness and the secondary wire connector to fully remove the assembly. Peel back the tape as necessary. Pull the front edge of the housing forward to detach the user control. Note the location of the wires, then disconnect them from the control. Install the new user control by first connecting the wires to the appropriate terminals. Align the control in the housing and snap it into place. Replace the tape. Reinstall the housing by reconnecting the main wire harness and the secondary wire connector. Insert the freezer thermistor into the hole in the liner. Fully position the housing and thread all of the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.